Good morning, everyone. My topic is QR code technology. QR stands for quick response. First of all, we should know what is QR code. It is nothing but a two-dimensional barcode that is widely used to encode and provide easy access to the information, which means while we scan the QR code, it gives some response to the user. The response may be an image, a text, a URL, a person's contact number, whatever may be, etc. History of the QR code. The QR code system was invented in 1994 by Toyota's subsidiary by DensoWave. Initially used to track vehicles and for tracking parts during manufacture. Now it is also used to easily link with and transfer information on smartphones. The information in a QR code is typically some sort of actionable text that directs the phone to take some sort of action. How it works? We should generate the code and feed the link or some kind of information inside the QR code, and we should scan the code using our smartphone. It requires a QR scanner application which is to be installed in our smartphone or computer to decode the information in a QR code, like encryption and decryption. QR code are made up black square and white squares. Each of these squares is called a model. So black square is a model and white squares are also model. In every QR code there are certain models that must not be covered or edited, else the code won't scan. If we not encrypt any type of messages or text in the QR code, the smartphone scanner application won't scan the QR code. Encryption. Encrypted QR code, which are not very common, have a few implementation. The QR app manages encryption and decryption of QR codes using the DES algorithm. The DES algorithm comes in cryptography, which means data encryption standard. The code must be encryption and decryption by using QR code. Error correction. It has a function of an error correcting for misreading that white is black. It used the Reed-Solomon error correction algorithm with 4 error correction levels. Capacity of QR code is determined by versions, each correcting level and encoding mode. So these are the 4 levels. As we see the previous slide, there are 4 types of level: low, medium, quartile, high. 7% of low and 15% of medium, 25% of quartile, another 30% is high. We can see this easy level diagram: low, medium, quartile, high. These are the mask patterns which is based work on mathematical. In decryption, this is the sample picture for decryption. The 3 large squares highlighted in the red are the position markers. This tells the scanner where the edges of the code are. The smaller red squares is an alignment marker. The red stripes of alternating black and white models are called timing patterns. They define the positioning of the rows and columns. The green section determines the format. This tells the scanner whether it is a website text message. Chinese symbols, numbers, or any combination of these. The models highlighted in blue represent the version number, like this picture. These are the versions of QR code. There are 40 types of versions. The first version is 21x21 matrix. As 40th version, 177x177 matrix. Scanning a QR code. For scanning, we need a application for mobile. The information is read by a mobile phone equipped with a QR code reader, which works in conjunction with the phone's camera to decode the information. Uses of QR code. There are many uses of QR code, like we can encrypt the text or some kind of image, some kind of our personal details, etc., like telephone number, SMS, etc. So we see one by one. First, URL. A QR code can be used to encode the text of a URL, which will be opened using the web browser. Telephone number. A QR code also may contain a phone number, which the code is read. The phone's dialer will open automatically with the mobile number filled. And also the QR code can automatically place the call by asking permission to the user. Finally, SMS. A QR code may contain a mobile telephone number that is ready to receive a text message. The QR code reader would promote the phone to open the messaging client and would open a new message that the user can compose and send. For example, our day-to-day life, everyone is using QR code scanner. For example, our Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, like these applications. The QR code can store up to 4296 alphanumeric or 7089 numeric characters inside the QR code. These are the QR code readers applications. For mobile, there are two applications, Keva BTAC. For computer, NeoReader QuickMark. We will see the demo in the next video. Thank you.